Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 5 of my PySimpleGUI course. In today's video, we will extend our knowledge on themes. Last lesson, we learned how to choose and apply themes. In this lesson, I will teach you how to customize the themes. There are a few key things you can change. Okay, so let's type them out. Don't forget to import the library. And then, since there are so much, I'll just copy and paste them. Alright, let's run them and I'll explain them one by one. So the first one, the background color is this color. I'll explain hex codes later. And then the border width would be 1. And then theme button color, this is this whole bracket. It's called a tuple. There are two values in it, this and this. I'll explain that later. The element background color is 2C2825, and then the element text color would be this. The progress bar border width is 0. Progress bar color is this. Slider border width is this. Slider color would be this. Text color is this. And lastly, this would be the text element background color. For the sake of the lesson, let's just focus on button colors. We can get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. Okay. And then let's get a pop-up. Okay, and then let's run it. Okay, so see here, this is the theme button colors. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That, you don't know this yet, but this is black. And if we look at the button, black is the text color. And then this, we don't know what that is, so we'll just assume that is the background yellowy color. And okay, now that we understand theme buttons, so the first value is the text color and the second element is the background color. So let's change it. We can change it by doing theme button color, and then since the data type is tuple with brackets, we need to set another set of brackets in here. And then let's just use the most known black and white. We can change this to white and black. So for this, we would think the text color is white and the background is black. Let's get a pop-up and test it out. Okay, so this is the first pop-up where the text color is black and the background is yellow. Now if we click OK, it'll pop up this other pop-up. The text color inside would be white and the background would be black. Okay, now using these words aren't the only way to represent colors. There's another way called hex codes. Let's dive a little deeper into that. So hex code, hex code is this right here. It is similar to RGB, the red, green, blue, in many ways. So RGB has 3 values, the red value, the green value, and the blue value. If we put all 3 to 255, then this would be white. And if all of them are 0, then it would be black. So from 0 to 255, there are 256 different numbers. That would be 2 to the power of 8. And let's turn RGB into hex. So red is the first 2 digits, green is the second 2 digits, and black is blue is the last 2 digits. So 0, 0 would mean 0. Now, if we change this to 255, then it shows FF. So we know FF is the equivalent to 255. Now, let's focus on the hex. So if we change the middle 2 into FF, then it turns green into FF. So we can blend stuff by doing FF for both red and green. That makes it yellow. Okay, we don't really need to go into much detail, but that's all you really need to know to get a basic understanding. Let's test this out. So white is FF, right? And black would be hashtag 00000 and 0. And let's run it. So it still gets the same effect as doing white and black. You need to remember to put the hashtags at the front. You need to remember to put the hashtags at the front, because if you don't and you do this, then if you rerun it, it won't pop up anything. Okay. Alright, that concludes this lesson about themes. Kind of went off topic at the end and talked about hex codes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. And remember, learning at work for tuition is easier than addition.